दोस्तों, आज बहुत ही रेलिवेंट टॉपिक आप लोगों के लिए मैं लेके आया हूं और वो है कि अगर इंजीनियरिंग के जो एग्जाम्स आप दे रहे हो और उसमें आपकी रैंक आती है तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होगा टू टेक एडमिशन इन सम इंस्टीट्यूशन। साइड बाय साइड यू हैव टू डिसाइड कि यू आर गोइंग टू टेक विच ब्रांच। एंड ये सबसे बड़ा और महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन है, क्योंकि ये जो 4 साल हैं, चाहे वो इंस्टीट्यूशन हो और चाहे वो आपकी ब्रांच हो, ये आपके जीवन में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रखते हैं, क्योंकि आपका आगे का करियर इसी पे ही डिपेंड होने वाला है। तो लेट अस सी कि आखिर इंस्टीट्यूशन और ब्रांच, इसमें जो सिलेक्शन है उसके बारे में क्या क्या चीजें ऐसी हो सकती हैं जो कि आपको ध्यान देनी है बिफोर टेकिंग एनी डिसीजन। करेक्ट। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर दिस थिंग। आप पूरा का पूरा वीडियो देखेंगे तो काफी कुछ चीजें आपकी जो है ना यहाँ पे क्लैरिफाई होने वाली है, जो आपके दिमाग में कंफ्यूजन रहता होगा। करेक्ट। सो नाउ लेट अस सी, लेट अस गो फॉर विच ब्रांच। ऐसा तो है नहीं कि आप कोई भी ब्रांच मिलेगी और उसमें आप इंजीनियरिंग कर लेंगे। करेक्ट। तो मेनली बेसिकली मैंने देखा है कि आपका जो बेसिकली ब्रांच का जो सिलेक्शन है वो कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स हैं उनको इन्फ्लुएंस करेगा। नंबर वन, जॉब अवेलेबिलिटी सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है। दूसरा, जॉब तो मिल गई, व्हाट अबाउट सैलरी पोटेंशियल। ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 2 लाख रुपए की जॉब मिली, अब जिंदगी भर 2 लाख रुपए में ही गुजार दिए। करेक्ट। तीसरा जो इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है वो आपका है फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी। फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को हम लोग बेसिकली बैकअप ऑप्शन। फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी से यहां मेरा मतलब यह है कि सपोज ऐसा जॉब जिसमें आपको मिल तो गया, काम भी कर रहे हैं लेकिन मजा नहीं आ रही, फील्ड ऐसी होनी चाहिए थोड़ा सा अपने आप को डाइवर्सिफाई कर सके कि नहीं चलो इस फील्ड में हमें ये चीज अच्छी नहीं लग रही है तो ये कर लेते हैं। करेक्ट। तो बेसिकली फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी होनी चाहिए। देन फोर्थ फैक्टर जो है वो क्या है? रिस्क। रिस्क ड्यू टू व्हाट? अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट और अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट। करेक्ट। ऐसी ना ब्रांच ले लेना कि आपको कोई जॉब ही ना मिले, डिग्री करके आप बैठे हुए हो, फिर क्या होगा? या ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके अंदर स्किल्स हैं, सब कुछ है, बस ब्रांच ऐसी है कि आपको उतना पैसा नहीं मिल पा रहा है, उतनी सैलरी नहीं मिल पा रही है। करेक्ट। अंडर अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड अंडर एम्प्लॉयमेंट। तो करेक्ट। तो ये 4 फैक्टर एक्चुअली जो मैंने सोचे हैं ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हैं आपके लिए। आप इसको सोचो। करेक्ट. नाउ लेट अस सी आज के डेट में आखिर कौन कौन सी ब्रांचेस हैं जिनको जनरली लोग लेते हैं. एक तो आपका कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, ईसीई, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग. करेक्ट. देन you can take electrical, then mechanical, and fifth you can write civil also. More or less ये 5 ब्रांचें हैं, कोर ब्रांचेस. इसी के आसपास लोग जो है ब्रांचेस चूज करते हैं. बट लेट अस सी वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी सीएसई आईटी. इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं है कि दिस इज द मोस्ट sought after branch. I hope you agree with me. Correct. Lakhs of people, IIT professionals, computer professionals, they are being employed every year. Correct. So there is no doubt that this has got maximum job. As far as salary potential is concerned, this is also okay because you get good salary in this sector. Correct. Even let me give you some idea about the salary. Salary means if you are a fresher, then 3 to 6 lakhs rupees per annum to salary. If you are skilled, then 10 to. These are average figures, and you can go more than 40 if you are skilled, you have potential. This is the field where you are going to excel as long as you want. Correct. Another thing is it has got a lot of diversification. Like you can become a software engineer, then artificial intelligence or machine learning engineer, data science, cyber security. You can open your own startup also. Correct. So a lot of diversification is also available. That means it has got the very low risk. You have got job availability. A large number of jobs are there in this sector. Then you have got salary potential. Then you have got flexibility also like this and very low risk. Correct. So that's why you must have seen this is the most sought after branch. Now, side by side, let us see some more thing, means let us see how these things are changing with respect to your institution. Let us classify our institutions also. As you know, your tier 1 institution is nothing but IITs, then topmost NITs, BITS, correct? Then your tier 2, topmost NITs, or you can say topmost if you keep it here, then you can make it NITs and then you can place DTU is also in this, then NSUT is also Netaji Subhash Delhi's institution you can put in this. Then you can take some private institution also in this like Manipal, VIT, Thapar, correct? Then your tier 3 you can take, in my opinion, your state engineering colleges and other private colleges. So these are the institutions generally are there. So here I told you about computer science and IT, correct? As long as you are going for a tier 1, this thing, computer science, this branch is okay. As long as tier 2 also this branch is okay, and tier 3 also this branch is okay. Of course, salary potential and all other factors like job availability, they will be less because very less companies visit tier 3 institutions. But still, it is not that much risk because this branch itself has got a lot of potential. Correct? Now, let us talk about ECE. ECE is a very good branch. In ECE, basically, what you can go to IT sector, plus you can go to core electronics jobs also. This branch is at the second number, has always been at the second number, but the people are choosing it because it has got also low risk, and of course availability of job is also there. Salary potential is okay. Suppose if you are employed in Samsung or something and get good salary, then it is not that much flexible branch as CSE or IT is there, but still the branch is okay. You can go for that. Correct. Now let us see electrical. Then comes, of course, in electrical jobs are not that much, but still there are a lot of PSUs are there, government jobs are there, and PSU jobs you can find through GATE examination. If you get through all these things, then you can have a very stable career. Mechanical jobs are very few. In the core jobs are very few. Salary will be less, but most of the mechanical graduates I have seen, they go towards the IT field. Ultimately, they will study some computer or something like that, and they will shift their this thing to civil is, of course, it's a very stagnant branch. If you get a job, okay, because very less jobs are there, because there is not much growth potential. But yes, as far as construction business is concerned, real estate is, that is going on with a stagnant phase. Growth rate is not that bad, but still you can find the jobs. But in private sector, the jobs profile, your profile will be very rigorous. And of course, you can come to government sector also, and then you can have the stable jobs. My point is not to dishearten or to speak anything low about the branches or anything. My point is, if you like a branch, you go for that. Whether it is mechanical, electrical, civil, aeronautics, or any one branch. If you like that branch. But just see whether you like it or not. Correct? Then, if your personal factor is coming to decide about the branch, then all these factors have got no meaning. Because the most important thing is, if you like something, it is better you do or you excel in that field. You will like it, basically. Or if you don't like a branch, if you get into that, you will feel frustrated. So try to remember this thing also. Correct? Now, let us link with this. Suppose, let, let us talk about tier 3 institutions. If you are going, your rank is not good, you are opting for tier 3 institutions, then it is better to take the safest branch. That is CSE and IT. Otherwise, very difficult. If you are going for tier 2, of course, safest branch is here, CSE and IT, but you can try ECE also. I have seen good uh, placements for ECE, CSE, Manipal, VIT, Thapar, these institutions. But if you are going for tier 1, then of course you can go for any branch, because in, in studying in these institutions, you will become so skillful. So there, I don't think there is going to be any job problem. One more thing is there, I would like to say, Suppose if you choose a branch, like let me take an example, if you choose aeronautics, beautiful branch. I have seen, I was there in aeronautics aircraft instruction in IIT Kanpur. So if you choose aeronautics jobs are very less, but the thing is, if you like the field, you go for, instead of doing BTech, you go for, after doing BTech, you go for MTech, go for PhD if you like, then I don't think there would be any problem of the jobs. So this was all about how you are going to choose your branch, how your institutions you are going to choose, and let me tell you, your institutions are what? These institutions, these are your launching pads. They are your launching pad. And what about branch? Branch gives you direction. So the better the launching pad, the better your career, better all these things, salary potential, everything will be there. Branch, since it is the direction, you have to choose it wisely. Otherwise, you are going to frustrate yourself sooner or later part of your life. I think everything is clear. If you have any doubt about or any clarification if you require, please you can call me. This is my number, correct? You can call me, and after your results come out, you can discuss with me which institution you should go for, which branch you can try for. You can always discuss with me on a call. So I'm winding up this lecture. How was this video? Please let me know through your comments. Correct? Thank you very much.